I just thought I'd do a quick as possible video here. Show mainly the post vise construction, but then thought I'd come over here, show the 2B woodshed reconstruction. All I got is 2 trusses built here so far, 5 more to go. The beams are going to sit on top of the walls. The trusses will sit on those beams. And there's the walls laying in a horizontal position there now, not doing much good. But we'll get to it. Now the main point of this video is to show all I've been using for a vise for the blacksmithing operations here. It's mounted to the top of some metal, keep the raccoons out of the compost. And I wanted to show some plans for the new vise. Come through here and let everyone see my mess. My gold pile, I call it. And last week, well, there's some of the plywood I'm using to cut gussets out for those trusses. And pretty good right there for a bit. Last week we drug some of this metal out of the snow pile out there. It's pretty good thick stuff, probably 3/16. And gonna use that. I think I'm just gonna cut a small circle out of it, just for the post vise legs stand on. And I can bolt other sections to it. I don't want pieces to stand on or anything like that. And then, well, there's the post vise right there. Grampy's old post vise. And I got the mounting hardware here. De-rusted it with the molasses there in a previous video. And then I cut out this chunk of metal that's going to sit on top of this I-beam. I got to clean that I-beam up. Sit there so this sits flat. And this will sit on the I-beam like that. And then have that mounted right onto that plate just like that. And a post vise fit in it right there. Then there was one more. I seen this nifty picture there on the internet. So I've been having a hard time with my scrolling on the horn. So I rigged this up so I can weld a chunk of 1/2 inch square or 3/4 inch square. Not sure which sockets I'm going to use, but then I can slide the sockets down over it, and I can weld a 3/8 round chunk here, drill a couple holes right in here, and weld a couple of let me think, nuts, I guess they'd be, to the bottom side. Drill a couple holes right straight down through, weld the nuts around those holes. Put a couple bolts in there to hold this, and it'll slide so I can put different thicknesses of material in between that 3/8 pin and whichever size socket I want to use for the scroll. And that'll be the end of the post vise. Anyway, I just wanted to give a little overview, as opposed to just showing the finished construction. There's the future forge. Someday.